Star-spangled history at Fort McHenry. From the depths of the ocean, we're stepping back in time to Fort McHenry, a place that resonates with American history. Kids will love exploring the tunnels and ramparts, imagining themselves as soldiers defending the harbor. Pack a picnic lunch to enjoy on the grassy lawns overlooking the harbor. It's the perfect way to soak in the scenery and reflect on the history of this remarkable place. Where the past powers the present. Next stop, we're diving into Baltimore's industrial heart at the Baltimore Museum of Industry. Imagine your little ones trying their hand at operating a 19th century printing press or stepping inside a recreated cannery. Admission is a steal at $12 for adults and $7 for children. And be sure to check their website for family-friendly events and workshops. Take a quick day trip. Just a short drive from Baltimore. Explore the wonders of Washington, D.C. on a day trip. From the iconic monuments to the vibrant museums, there's something for everyone in the nation's capital. Don't miss the chance to visit the Smithsonian Museums, the National Mall, and the historic landmarks that make Washington, D.C. a must-see destination. Whether you're a history buff or just looking for a fun family outing, this day trip will be an unforgettable experience. Pack your bags and prepare for an adventure filled with history, culture, and endless excitement. Your Baltimore backyard oasis. Our final stop on our Baltimore family adventure takes us to Patterson Park. Let the kids loose on the playgrounds, pack a frisbee for a game on the lawns, or rent a paddle boat and cruise around the lake. Pack a picnic, bring a blanket, and soak in the sunshine. Until next time, Baltimore! Thanks for joining me on this tour of family vacation ideas in Baltimore. From the historic ships and underwater wonders of the Inner Harbor, to the inspiring stories at Fort McHenry and the playful energy of Patterson Park, Baltimore offers something for everyone in the family. So put down your phones, engage with the locals, savor those Maryland crab cakes, and embrace the unexpected detours. Happy travels! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel ideas.